Hello and welcome to the Maya quiz. This quiz is part of our comprehensive 3D animation course in Autodesk Maya, available on multiple e-learning platforms. Let's begin. In which panel or area do we navigate in Maya? The options are 3D panel or 3D port, view panel or viewport. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is view panel or viewport. We need a dash and a dash to navigate within the 3D space in Maya. The options are joystick, mouse, 2-button mouse, keyboard, keyboard, joystick, 3-button mouse, keyboard. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is 3-button mouse, keyboard. We have to press and hold down the dash key on our keyboard and use the mouse buttons to navigate within the 3D space. The options are Alt, Control, Shift, Spacebar. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is Alt. In a 3-button mouse, the dash acts as the middle mouse button. The options are left button, scroll wheel, right button, body cover. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is scroll wheel. We have to use the dash mouse button to orbit or tumble around an object. The options are left, right, middle. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is left. We have to use the dash mouse button to pan through the scene. The options are left, right, middle. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is middle. We have to use the dash mouse button to dolly in and out of the scene. The options are left, right, middle. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is right. On a Macintosh operating system, we have to use the dash key in place of the Alt key to navigate within the 3D space. The options are Command, Option. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is option. Alright, that brings us to the end. See you in the next quiz.